Hey, this is Mateo with YouTube Creator AI. I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a video with my video builder. So come to the video builder, and first you want to choose a topic. But for today's example, I've been working on kind of a fictional story about a dad living an anime dream with his YouTube channel, and he's trying to hide it from his family. And just doing this as an example. So you can use any topic or any subject, but I'm going to kind of just lock this in so I have it as a reminder of my topic here. And I'm just doing this because I've worked on this video previously, so this is kind of a series here. But if you don't have a topic, you can use the topic scout to find a trending topic or put in some evergreen topics here. So I'm going to go ahead and select my concept here. Since I'm going to do a voiceover, I'm not going to really generate a video hook or a script. I'm just going to go, or an script outline. I'm just going to go to a full script. So if you're, once again, like online, if you're doing voiceovers, or if you're doing your face is on camera, like you're a vlog or doing gaming, then you kind of want to just do an outline here. So let's go ahead and do a script. And once again, this is just an example, so I'm just doing some short 45-second scripts. So I'm going to put in here, a fictional story of the adventure of the trap dad hustling for that YouTube money with his anime channel. Will his identity be revealed now that his daughter is a subscriber? So the last couple episodes was him talking about his channel, and then he found out his daughter is a subscriber. I'm going to do just a storytelling, but you have different tones here, and I'm just going to do a short for 45 seconds just so we can see this as an example. So give this just about 30 seconds or so, and it'll generate a script for you. Keep in mind, I'm already using my own topic, but if you're a new creator and not sure what to do a topic about, you can use the topic scout, and these will give you any trending topics and give you some great video ideas. Or you can put in a concept for an evergreen idea, or just put in what your channel's about and get an idea of what people are looking for with that particular niche. So let's come down here to the script. So it gives us, a title that we can use. Gives us some visual reference. In the digital shadows, a legend thrives. Trap dad, the anonymous anime expert, but his secret YouTube empire, it's crumbling one subscriber at a time, and his latest, his own daughter. So it gives us a whole script here. And once again, this is only going to be about 45 seconds or so. I'm going through this a little bit fast, but you can definitely run this for your own script. So you can do a couple things. You can save this to notes, but I'm going to save it and sync to voice as well. And just a reminder, I'm just going to mark this as complete so I know I completed that part. So what this is going to do is going to give us the full script here. And to make it a little bit easier so you can edit this into segments, we're going to segment script. So we're going to select that. It's going to pop up here. It's going to give us 4 clean segments for this particular script. We have a few voiceover personas
Hello,
here.
I'm the gentleman. Choose my voice for your next casting call.
Okay, I've been using this one for this particular
Hello,
video, so I'm gonna
I'm
stick with
the
this one here.
storyteller. Choose my voice for your next casting call.
All right, so bear with me here. I'm going to generate this. I do these one at a time, just so you can make sure the voice is on point. You don't need to change anything with this overall script, but this should be fine. This is going to take just a second as well.
In the digital shadows, a legend thrives. Trap Dad, the anonymous anime expert. But his secret YouTube empire? It's crumbling, one subscriber at a time. And his latest? His own daughter.
Okay, great. So that's going to be our opening segment. We can download that. Let's generate segment number 2 here as well. And once again, you can just generate these and download them. We're going to add them to our video builder.
For years, he's hustled, analyzing every isekai plot twist and cyberpunk aesthetic. His channel, a masterclass in hidden identity, built on pure passion and late-night edits, has exploded in 2026, a true fictional persona success story. But the grind is about to get real.
All right, so we can download that one. Let's generate this one as well. You can generate more than one at a time. I'm just kind of showing you the examples here.
Then a casual comment, a shared video, the unmistakable avatar staring back from her subscribed list. The line blurs. His meticulously crafted anonymity, a YouTube trend itself, now hangs by a
as well, and let's generate the last one here. So once again, you can put in a more detailed prompt for a different type of script. Put in your own
Trap
story.
Dad's identity revelation.
Okay, so we have our 4 audio segments here. We have a visual director. If you're on camera, this will give you some tips for shots and things like that, but we're not going to run that for our particular video. Now that we have the visuals, we're going to need our packaging here. We're going to need our titles and our description. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this long prompt here for our title. So it's going to generate some titles for us, and let's generate a description as well, and we can generate a thumbnail concept. So it's going to carry over what our concept was. This is going to take just a minute here, so give it a little bit of time, but it's going to have everything we need to kind of build the rest of our video here. So we have our descriptions. Let's see if our title's finished running here. So we have our titles all ranked. I'm going to save these. I'm not sure what title that I'm going to use yet, and let's go ahead and just save these. So this, once again, the title is going to give us, a great title, a tip, and why this title has a competitive analysis. And once again, this is just an example that I'm using for this particular video, so you can use this for any video that you're doing. It's going to give us a description here. We definitely want to look through that if we want to make any changes. If you're a signed in user, you can come in here and you can add your social links, and those will all add to the description here, and you can save these to notes. And these are simply, you can copy these right to YouTube. Gives us a file name. We generated a thumbnail concept. It's going to give us a 2-part concept, a visual concept, and then some captions that we can use on the thumbnail. And then we can definitely create the thumbnail here as well. I'm going to do a modern comic, generate the thumbnail here. And why we do this in a 2-step process is we don't want to leave the prompting, so we get to make sure we get an accurate prompt for the image. So this is a great thumbnail that we can use. If you want to use one of these captions, you can definitely do that, but the thumbnail did it, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that caption and just leave this as is. Be sure to download your thumbnail here so we can mark that phase complete as well. If you want to set up some community posts around this video, you can do that. If you want to get some ideas for a short or another video about this topic, you can do that as well. If you want to generate some different angles for thumbnails or titles, you can run those here also. But those 5 titles we ran are going to be great. So you have a couple options here. You have your whole video ready to go. We have all of our video titles. We have our video descriptions, our keywords, our thumbnails. We have our full script. We have our voice segments. We have our trending topics. So if you save in more items, they're all going to be saved here. So we have really everything. Our video, all we have to do now is actually film and record the video. If you like all these items, you can export these, and these are going to save here to your local notes, and you can just copy these directly, whatever title you want, whatever you want from this production brief, right to your YouTube video. So let's go back to the video here. So now we're in our video builder. I'm going to show you an easy way. We're going to import our script. So this is going to take the script already that we wrote, give us what the visual should be here, and then we can build this in segments. So this is the first segment here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and add the voice segment. We had our first voice segment here. So we're going to add that. And since I don't have any media here, I'm going to go ahead and do, it's a 14-second clip. I'm going to hit 3 times and I'm going to hit generate. And what this is going to do is going to generate us 3 images for this particular segment based on this visual direction here. We can do a couple things, which I forgot to do, is we can lock in like a character if you want to put a certain 40-year-old male or somebody with blue hair. You can lock in that character as well. So it gives us three images. Let's add some background music. So we have some built-in background music that you can add here. So I'm going to go ahead and actually add this. So I'm going to add this, and then I have some sound effects that you can just add. So since this is opening the video, let's just do a bell ding. So let's add that here as well. So we have our first segment built. So let's just see how it plays here.
In the digital shadows, a legend thrives. Trap Dad, the anonymous anime expert. But his secret YouTube empire? It's crumbling, one subscriber at a time. And his latest? His own daughter.
All right, so we have our first segment here. So let's go to segment number 2. Let's go ahead and add that voice as well. So we have our voice clip that we downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and let this generate 3 media images for us as well. So give that just a minute here. If you don't like any of these images, you can X them out and create some other ones. To get specifically what you want, I would go ahead and put in like a character art here. You can put in a different image style. So these are comic book images. You can do it pop art, hyperreal, or anime here. So it gives us 3 images. Let's go ahead and add some music. Let's do like a drama one. That's a good kind of transition. So let's add that, and let's go ahead and do kind of this type of sound effect, and you can move these. So these are going to basically clip in. If you want to add your own media, you can do that as well, but this is basically like a lazy video build.
For years, he's hustled, analyzing every isekai plot twist and cyberpunk aesthetic. His channel, a masterclass in hidden identity, built on pure passion and late-night edits, has exploded in 2026. A true fictional persona success story. But the grind is about to get real.
Okay, great. So now let's go to our next segment. So if you want to add your own media, you can click this here and add any media you want from your computer as well. But once again, this is going to generate 3 video images for you. So let's go ahead and do this one as well. You can do 1 image depending on how the length of the segment. Once again, this is just an example for this particular story arc that I've been kind of messing around with. So you could definitely, check out something else. So let's go ahead and add some music here as well. So let's do that one. And we can add a sound effect. Let's add that one here, and we can move it to wherever we want. And whatever the voice is going to pop up here, so you can get an idea of what images to kind of put, for each segment. And these are going to lock in. So if you have an 18-second voice segment, you can put in, however many images that are going to match up with this voice segment here. So here's the next image.
Then a casual comment, a shared video, the unmistakable avatar staring back from her subscribed list. The line blurs. His meticulously crafted anonymity, a YouTube trend itself, now hangs by a thread. What if she connects the dots?
Okay, so that one, of course, it had a different kind of different character here. So those are some things that you still have to kind of look to do, is make sure, hey, you lock in a certain character type. But once again, I'm just showing you the example of what the tool can do here and how easy it is to generate a video. So we're going to update that last segment. Let's go ahead and put in 45-year-old suburban dad. Let's just put that and see what it does for this one here. So we're going to generate this as well. Once again, if you don't like what the media is here, or what it's generating, you can try some different prompts, or once again, you can download your own images and add them here as well. So it's going to give us our other 3D images. Let's add some music is kind of like the end. That sounds good. So I try to have a good mix. There's only about 15 tracks there, but that gives you at least a good little mix. And then let's see what a couple of these are. Let's just add that one here just so we have a sound effect. So now we have our last segment.
Trap Dad's identity revelation is no longer a what if, it's a when. Will his anime dream survive, or will his cover be blown wide open? Find out next time.
All right, great. So we basically have, 4 segments here: a video, background voices, images. So now all we have to do is download this. I'm going to download this as a widescreen. Right now, the widescreen videos are going to be best in terms of overall quality. If you want to do a vertical, you can do that as well. But watch what the subtitles do. I'd recommend removing the subtitles on a vertical video and just adding those with your upload to like YouTube there. So we can go ahead and download this. Give this just a minute. So it's going to basically upload all these clips and create a video for us. You don't have to wait for this to finish. For a 45-second video, it's probably going to take about 2 to 3 minutes, but don't worry, you'll get an email when the video is ready and a link that you can download it, and from there you can upload it directly to YouTube, and I'll be back in just a few minutes to get that part done. But we already have our whole rest of our video package here. So once that video is done downloading, we have a title. We can choose what title that we want to use here. We're going to have our video description, our keywords that we can just simply copy into YouTube. We already have our thumbnail, but if we wanted to create our own, we have what the concept should look like, and the script just as reference, and the voice segments here as well. So now this is rendering the cloud. It says it takes 10 to 15 minutes. It could for a 3 to 4 minute video if you have a lot of clips or you're on a slower computer, but this should be fine. So I'll be back in just a minute to show you the completed downloaded video and how we can really just upload it directly to YouTube here. Okay, so after the video is done, it's going to pop up here and you can play it, and you're also going to get an email. So I wouldn't wait for it. This video took about 5 minutes to download, so I apologize for the delay with that, but once again, it's going to work, and you're going to get an email anyway, and you can click this email and simply download.
In the digital shadows, a legend thrives. Trap Dad, the anonymous anime expert. But his secret YouTube empire? It's crumbling, one subscriber at a time. And his latest? His own daughter. For years, he's hustled, analyzing every isekai plot twist and cyberpunk aesthetic. His channel, a masterclass in hidden identity, built on pure passion and late-night edits, has exploded in 2026. A true fictional persona success story. But the grind is about to get real. Then a casual comment, a shared video, the unmistakable avatar staring.
All right, great. So you get the idea here, and then once again, you can just simply, save this video. We have our, let's go ahead and see what we want to save it as. We have our video full production brief that we did here already. It gives us an optimized file name. Let's just copy that, and then when we save video as, we're just gonna save it as that there. Save, and we're done. Now let's go ahead and upload this to YouTube here. So I'm going to go ahead and we have our video we just did. I'm going to upload that. Let's look at our titles here, see what title to choose. My daughter discovered my secret anime channel, Trap Dad Confession. That one would be good. Trap Dad's Anime Empire, when my daughter exposed my YouTube hustle. And all these would be great. Let's go ahead and once again, we can try all three of them with YouTube. You can do some title testing, but I'm just going to use this one here. And let's go back to our channel upload. I'm going to go ahead and just paste that in there. Let's I have some my pre-filled description, but let's go ahead and go to the description we have. I'm just going to copy this, paste it here, so we have our description. And then let's go to our thumbnail. We already downloaded our thumbnail as well, so let's go ahead and put that as our thumbnail. I have this as a playlist that I set up, and let's go ahead and just get some of this our tags here. We can get our tags done. So let's copy all these keywords. We can put them here. Copy these ones. Put them there as well. This is entertainment. So literally we have this here. It probably took about 20-25 minutes total from creating the video to actually getting it on to YouTube here. We want to be sure to add some end screens and cards to save you guys time. I'll do that here later on. But let's go ahead and publish. All right, so check it out. Come here to YouTube Creator AI. You can start with your video topic, work your way down to scripting. You can do voiceover. You're going to get your packaging and all your titles, your descriptions. You can do some other little marketing tips, some community posts, some ideas to expand this. Test your titles here, and I should have definitely done some of those, but for time here, I wanted to show you that. You're gonna have your final production brief that you had to kind of click down, and you can export just what you want. And then we have the video editor where you're just gonna add your voice clips that you downloaded. You can generate media here, and you can definitely also add your own voice clips, your own background music and things as well. But this tool all works together. Export your video, give it about 5 to 7 minutes, and you'll be ready to go. So check it out, YouTube Creator AI. Currently it's totally free to run a video. You should sign up for a free trial so you don't run out of any generations before you get to this part here. So check it out, YouTube Creator AI. Have a wonderful day.